Wagwan family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make coconut curry chickpeas. So here, I prep my vegetables. I start off by peeling the carrot and dice them small. I'm using one ripe plantain. So I'm just going to peel it and dice it also. Now I have two stalk of scallions. Just going to chop them up small. Here I have 5 cubes of garlic. Going to dice it up fine also. Here I have 3 sweet pepper. I have the yellow, the red and green. Just going to dice them up small. So I cut them in strips, then dice them. Here I have half of a onion. Just going to dice it up small also. Here I have a pound of pumpkin. So I'm cut out the belly and peel off the skin and dice it up also. Now I'm going to start the cooking process. So turn on the stove. Here I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Going to start off by saute the onion. Now add the garlic. Now I'm going to add the pimento. I'm not cook them out too much, I'm just sweating them. Going to add some fresh thyme, 2 pieces of fresh thyme. Here I'm going to add the sweet peppers. Make sure you stove on medium. Now I'm going to add the carrots. Add the pumpkin. We'll just saute them a little bit, not too much. Now I'm going to scrape them out the pot. Just going to set them aside and go and burn the curry. So to the pot, we're going to add some coconut oil. 3 tablespoons coconut oil. 1 tablespoon better pack curry powder. 1 tablespoon green seasoning. So make sure to burn the curry and the green seasoning in the oil to flavor it up. Here I'm going to add 2 cups of chickpeas, and the chickpeas are already cooked. Now I saute the chickpeas with the curry and the green seasoning together before I add the rest of the ingredients. Turn back up the stove. I just want to keep on stirring them. Here, I add the ripe plantain. You want to make sure you keep on stir it also. You don't want nothing to burn, just keep move them around. Now I'm going to open my can of coconut milk. Now I'm going to add the coconut milk to the chickpeas. I'm going to add half a cup of water. Not too much water. Make sure to stir it. Here I'm going to add one cut noodle. And the cut noodle is optional, okay my people? You don't have to use the cut noodle, okay? One scotch bonnet pepper. Give it a stir. Make sure everything come together. Now I'm gonna go for a taste test. Make sure it have the right amount of sodium. So it needs some more sodium. I'm going to add some of my all-purpose seasoning. Not too much. Here I'm going to add the vegetables I sauteed earlier. Look at that already. So colorful. Now I'm going to add the chopped scallions. Now mix them together. Now I'm going to allow them to simmer for 10 minutes on low heat. Not too high, just allow it to cook for 10 minutes. So now it cook. Look at that my people. Rich and nice. So now I'm going to serve a plate. So here I have it with white rice and some cabbage coleslaw. Now I'm gonna go for a taste. Yo, this thing is so flavorful my people. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Peace out.